This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Desirable end unit condo on the second floor shows nice and bright. Multiple windows have been replaced with impact glass. The patio space flows into the rest of the home. The kitchen has had some updating and opens to the freshly painted dining and living room. Bedrooms are oversized, bathrooms boast newer vanities. Conveniently located steps away from the pool, clubhouse, car wash and other amenities. There is one assigned covered parking space and plenty of guest spaces. Walking distance to stores and minutes to downtown beaches and other conveniences. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.